Hey everybody, it's Christina, also known as the Mobile Home Mama. I am the general manager of the retail center over here in Topeka, Indiana, right here at the factory where you can come and visit and design your house and get great savings. Save thousands by cutting out the middleman and going factory direct. I want to talk about something before we head on in here. This is a customer creation by one of our favorite customers, Michael. Justin actually designed this, but it's that time of year again. September the 4th, mark your calendars, call me right away to get your hotel stay. That's the annual open house, and it's the one day of year where I slash all the prices, and there's some great giveaways from the factory too. September 4th, Labor Day weekend, take an extra vacation day and come and hang out, get some great food, and meet the team here at Champion Homes. This customer creation is special because, and I know I've talked about this before, but you can take a home like the Eckerty, that's what we're standing in. Normally this home is a 28 by 60. This customer stretched it 4 feet to a 32 wide. So walk in right into the living room. And man, I was on the other side of this and there are some great features. Let me get down into my special socks. And I don't want to get the carpet dirty. Living room, 2 very large windows in the front. Those are 46 by 61s. This has the drywall package. There are some things that come in the drywall package. I'll try to cover them all. Nice white wrapped profile trim. Mini blinds. Finished ceiling joints, that's where you're going to have a nice clean finish at the top of the ceiling as opposed to having trim. Perimeter heat, 2x6 wall, pier savers under the doors, 3 panel doors. That's what we're seeing right here on this closet. It's really should be called the ultimate home package because it's a whole lot more than drywall. Of course, drywall's in that package. And there are just so many things. It's a whole list of about 20 things that go into the package. We'll see some other things on the other side of the home. Master bedroom. Again, with 2 very large windows, 46 by 61s. And I gotta say, standing on this carpet, this is the standard carpet. It's called Silver Dollar, and it is just cushy. I don't know, I haven't really stood on it yet this year without my shoes on. So customer also added a wire brace switch. That's the bracing for a ceiling fan, and 2 can lights on either side. Both of those things are part of the package as well. We got to jump out and go around to find bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. Of course, we're always going to have everything needed to install the home on a big piece of plastic right in your living room. Let's go see what we find on the other side. On our way to the other side, let's talk about the exterior a little bit. Also part of the ultimate home package, you're going to see white lineals surrounding the windows. That's a nice modern look to trim out your windows as opposed to shutters. Either of those are in the package. You get to choose. That's the great thing about personalizing your home is you choose how your home looks. Here's another thing. We've got a cute little dormer above the door, and that's going to take away from the monotony of just having a flat roof. You have a nice dormer over the door to give your home some character. And another major point of this home is this customer has added a 512 roof pitch that is possible on all of our Aspire homes. That's going to be a hinged roof, meaning when the home arrives at the property and they join these 2 pieces together by lag bolting them together, then they're going to raise the hinged portion of the roof to have a steeper 512 pitch. The alternative and the standard is a 312. If you look right there, that's a 312 roof versus the 512. So you're going to have a much steeper pitch to the roof, looking more like a residential home. Guys, gone are the days of the T word. You can do a lot of things to these homes, a lot more things than you even realize. And that's why you need a good housing consultant to help you through the process. Okay, looking for bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. Okay, first up, bedroom number 3. And stretching this home is gonna give you a longer bedroom. I'm not gonna crawl up in here. I did fall off the ladder last week, okay? So for all of you that get concerned about me, it is dangerous getting up in this home. When you stretch a home, especially width-wise, that means you're going to have a longer bedroom, right, instead of a wider one. So you can tell here that this home was stretched because of that feature. And right around the corner here, on the other side of this wall, is going to be a very large walk-in closet. That's the great thing about the Eckerty. Every bedroom, has a walk-in closet. Here we go to bedroom number 2. This bedroom, about the same size. They really ended up being the same size. And behind that door is gonna be the walk-in closet for this bedroom. Now, let's go get to the good stuff. The kitchen. Ooh la la, wait till you guys see this. Because crisp, clean colors used actually cool colors. We're gonna see some grays and some blacks and some whites and really, really super crisp and neat. On the back side of the home, this is a family room back here. Added a slider, patio door, and moved around some windows. We're gonna see that, and that's a really great feature. And then this home also has a rear exterior door as well, walking into the utility room. All right, headed into the rear exterior door. We're gonna come into the utility room. Also part of that ultimate home package, you're gonna get some washer dryer cabinets. Thunder on the floor. Now we're gonna talk some colors. Water heater behind the panel. Furnace, yep, just as I suspected, behind that door. And here we go into the kitchen area. Look at these colors, huh? Super crisp and clean. I love, love, love it. Cabinets to the ceiling. You know I love me some cabinets to the ceiling. And what else? If you're watching, I know you're saying it out loud. Boom, drawers over doors. Thank you. Crescent edging in the kitchen. Black cabinet handles. And the stainless steel appliances. I'm going to have a pretty big announcement coming up. I can't announce it quite yet, but Champion is always striving to get better and better. And we're about to do something big. So stay tuned for all of that. No, I'm not trying to keep you in suspense, but it's going to be really great. Balance board over the kitchen sink. Full wall of ceramic on the range wall. These are both things in the ultimate home package. And then you can add an additional wall of tile if you like. Let's head back towards the other end of the home. We're gonna come up upon bathroom number 2. They've done a really great feature here. They added an 006. This is a 15-inch linen to give you some extra storage in the bathroom. That's the one spot, that second bath, where people don't think to add extra storage because it's usually just a guest bath, right? And you don't want to make it too comfortable for people because they end up staying. Hey, ultimate home package there. They end up staying. And then there should be a framed mirror here. Womp womp. So, hi. No mirrors for me to wave at you in. They are shipped loose. And look at the size of this family room. Hold on. Boom. Yes. Take a floor plan that you love the layout, but it's just not quite big enough for you, and stretch it, folks. Especially if you have size restrictions on your lot. Maybe 60 is as long as you can go, but you can go wider. That's what happened here. Took these 2 windows. I think they moved them apart. They probably were over here somewhere, and Justin helped design it to give you the maximum amount of light in that family room. Yes, yes, yes. What are we missing? We're missing a master bath. Let's see what we can find. Okay, do you mind if I just take a video from standing down here? The less I gotta climb the ladder, the better. So this is the master bath. Accessible from the master bedroom, of course. There we go. Double vanity and a nice linen closet there. Just a nice, simple bath. And you know what? This entire house came out nice and simple. They put their money where the construction is, and that's the greatest thing to do when you're personalizing a Champion home. Man, it's beautiful out here, and it's time for you to visit. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me a DM. Let's get you in, put you and your family in a very nice hotel, show you how the homes are made, and we got them everywhere. Look, especially if you're looking for a single wide, we got tons of homes to crawl through. Don't forget, September 14th. And as always, my lovely lovelies, thank you for watching.